That came out as new information tonight. Jack ADOC saying they don't have any confirmed cases of COVID-19 among the inmate population. But inmates I spoke to say there is a real fear about whether they're being protected from the coronavirus pandemic behind bars.
If it breaks out in here, everybody's going to get it.
CBS 42 obtained these images of life behind bars at Donaldson Correctional Facility.
And that is nearly 100 inmates per dorm. In some dorms, there's over 100 inmates, so there's no way we can stay 6 feet apart.
Inmates on the inside saying none of the CDC recommended social distancing guidelines on the outside are being followed to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
Okay, we cannot be 6 feet apart if I could reach down and touch my bunkmate. And the cells are only 6 by 8 anyway.
In March, the Alabama Department of Corrections suspended all visitation and inmate passes. And according to State Senator Cam Ward,
they've been screening officers coming in every day for fevers or any kind of situations like that. And they're screening inmates. They have an emergency protocol that they deal with any kind of pandemic or virus like this, which means a 60-day standby reserve of cleansing materials such as sanitizers, any kind of soaps and stuff like that.
Here's what the inmates at Donaldson told me.
As far as the inmates go, we haven't given nothing to sanitize this place with.
Can you tell me about soap and water?
If you need some good soap, then you're gonna have to buy that yourself off the store. So, and a lot of people don't have funds to buy stuff off the store, especially when people aren't working right now. So then we need bleach, we need alcohol, we need stuff like that.
Now, unfortunately, these are things that are basically impossible to do in prisons and jails.
David Fati is the director of the ACLU National Prison Project.
Particularly in Alabama prisons, which are the most crowded prisons in the United States. The Alabama state prison system is now at about 170% of its design capacity.
Fati says dense populations make it impossible for adequate hygiene and social distancing.
Public health experts are saying is you have to reduce the population. You have to let people out to reduce the population in the facilities to stop or at least slow the spread of the virus.
A virus that doesn't distinguish between inmates and prison staff.
So we know that if the prisoners have it today, the staff will have it tomorrow, and the staff's family members and the broader community will have it the day after that. So this is a case where we're all in this together, and we all have to work together to contain this.
Now, the Alabama Department of Corrections posted a series of new procedures on their website around 9:30 tonight. You can see what they are, steps they're taking to protect inmates and workers. Federal prisons tonight announced that they will confine inmates to cells for the next 14 days in an attempt to prevent the spread of coronavirus behind bars. There are 146,000 inmates in 122 federal prisons across the country.